Today we have one of the popular Amazon levers. It's Berlin Modish. I think that's how you say it. There's a lot of different names. They basically just changed the box, changed the name. It's the same thing. So here's what we got. There's no access hole to get to a retainer. There's no retainer in this one. So you have to take it apart from the back side. So in order to get the cylinder out, you have a snap ring here. If you put it down in the order you take it out, then everything will be in order when you put it back together. I always try to keep everything in the same order as it came apart. If you lift this up slowly, there's the little locking rollers in there that you'll see. This one's stuck to it. Then you have the plate, this little piece. There is a washer on the back of that too. You reach in, and this fits pretty snug. It comes out, and this cap does not come off. You use this cap, pop that cap off, and it's the same as like a quick set spacing and depth. So you just use a quick set key for rekeying the pins and keying kit. Put that back in. Just a little washer, kind of center it the best you can. And the locking rollers, I usually put in after this. They go the flat sides facing up and down. Those locking rollers lock into this. When it pivots, it's either unlocked or pushes it in and it locks the lever. Has a little spring on it. Fits right in the slot. It's going to go on either side of the springs. Put that washer in. Put your snap ring on. Make sure it's down all the way.